Hi folks, we're now going to have a quick go on the indoor range. The guns I'll be using will be this new one, which is the Syma HY015B, a rifle. I'll also be using the other Syma guns I've got, which is the P698 pistol, one in orange and one in blue. I think you've seen these before. The targets that we'll be aiming at are these, the pile of Coke cans and spinning discs, the swinging target, flip down targets, some more Coke tins, and we'll see what these guns can do. I'll start off with the rifle first and then we'll do the pistols. And here we go. That's the rifle empty, and now we'll go on to the pistols. And there we go. This does somewhat remind me of the third law of entropy, which states that everything tends to disorder. So if there's a chemical reaction, the atoms and molecules will always move from an ordered state to a less ordered state as that reaction happens. Rather reminds me of this table. Starts off nice and tidy, and after a few shots it goes to disorder. That's life. Everything tends to disorder. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you again soon. Bye now.